me show you what's going on here. Wow, this is really cool. This farmer, this man has a pond here. These guys, look at these guys. Wow. Check this out. They're coming down here. They're hovering over this pond, filling up. This is unbelievable, guys. What a catch. Holy smokes. Boy, talk about being in the right place at the right time. I'm so happy I got this. I'm sure some people are going to really be interested in this video. See how long it takes him to fill up. Wow. He was down there, what, about a minute? Maybe? That's insane. Holy mackerel. These guys are incredible. This is incredible. What a find. Okay, so here's the east fork of the Pigeon River right here. So this man's farm probably was completely underwater 6 months ago when Helene was here. This is 276 right here in front of me. I'm almost out to 115, which takes me down to Canton. I'm on my way back to Asheville from the Blue Ridge Parkway. I went hiking today up at Black Balsam, which is a part of the Blue Ridge Parkway that was open. And by the time I got out to my car, 4 or 5 hours later, there was a note on my car. Let's see if you can see this. This was on my windshield that said the parkway is now closed and go out 276. That's what this road is right here. So I did just that, and I let myself out through the gate. So this all happened in the last few hours. I went up to the Blue Ridge Parkway to hike at around, I think I got up there about 1 o'clock. By the way, there's another helicopter. It's getting ready to come down here in just a second, so I'll hang out here for just a minute. In fact, what I'll do is I'll stop the video here. I'll get out and wait for this other helicopter to come in. Anyway, long story short, while I was hiking from about 1 to about 6, this other fire broke out. Okay, here comes the other one.